Well, welcome in the kitchen. Let me scoot y'all up just a little bit so you can see the top of my head. I'm cutting it off. I'm going to make something I've been wanting to make for a while. I got the stuff to make it. I was telling a friend about them. She said I made them and I did not like them at all. But I've got the stuff to make them, so I'm going to try it. I'll let you know whether we like it or not. They're lemon bars. You start with an angel food cake mix and a can of lemon pie filling. And of course I'm gonna jazz mine up just a little bit. I'm gonna add some lemon zest because I think lemon zest makes anything lemony better. I just do. Okay, here's my lemon. Here's my zester. And I may add the juice of this lemon. I don't know. And you know, I've told y'all this every time I use this, you go over it one time. One time. But it smells so good. I could just zest lemons just to make my kitchen smell like lemons. I'm going to go all the way around this lemon. So this is the zest of one lemon. Y'all, I wash my lemons as soon as I bring them in. I always wash my lemons because the lemon zest is what I love. And that's the outside peel of your lemon, so I always wash it. We're not going anywhere. All right, there's our lemon zest. All right, now then, our can of lemon pie filling. It's right there in the trash. I'm just going to dump this in here. Y'all can make these with any kind of pie filling that you want to. Got to get every drop out because I don't like to waste it. All right, now then you just start mixing it just like this. He's wanting to go somewhere. He wants to go somewhere all the time. He's wanting to go out and eat all the time. And I swear you all, it's gotten so expensive that we just don't do it. We never were ones to eat out a lot anyway. But it has gotten just so expensive to eat out. And then you have to leave a tip. And it used to be 15%. Now it's 20 or 25%. And your bill's higher anyway. And it's just ridiculous. So needless to say, we do not go out to eat very much at all. And if we do, we try to go on $1.50 pizza night, or maybe it's $2 now, I don't know. But even if it's that, that's not too much. All right, y'all, look at that. See how that looks? All right, now then. You just dump that right in here just like this. Get it all out. And then you spread it out evenly. I did not grease this pan. You do not grease it. Put it in a 9x13 pan. And you put it in the oven at 350 degrees until they are lightly browned on top and it's cracked open, like it'll look cracked and really dry on top. I'll bring you back when I get them out of the oven. Okay, here's our lemon bars, and they will deflate. Everything says they will deflate, and you can watch them. I'm literally watching them deflate. They were way up here when I first took them out of the oven. They are still piping hot, but they're deflating. It's amazing to watch them just deflate. Can't wait to eat them, but they're still so popping hot. I'm gonna let them cool and finish shrinking up and deflating, and I'm gonna sprinkle them with powdered sugar after they cool off. Then I'll come back and cut them with you. But I want you to see how they're going. They're just like sinking in. They're just amazing. You can see where I put them up the edge. The edge is still kind of stuck, so that's not going down quite as. Y'all, I just can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I've got to have just a little bitty bite. Just a little bitty bite. Just a little bitty bite, even though it's hot. Oh, I can't wait to try them. I'm going to cool it off. Just a little bit because it's hot. Y'all, I think they're good. Of course, I love anything. Y'all see how they're just all sunk in now? I love anything made with the angel food cake. All right, I'm going to let these cool while I fix our supper, and I'll be back when, look at them there. See, they just got sunk in the middle. Isn't that wild? How they're just deflated. Okay, I'll be back when I get ready to put powdered sugar on them. Okay, here are our lemon bars. You see how it was cracked on top and brown? And they fell like they're supposed to, so don't freak out when you get them out and then they start to deflate, because that's what they're supposed to do. Now we're going to put some powdered sugar over them. And I'm just going to do it right like this. You do not need much, as you can tell. That's more than enough. That's probably a tablespoonful, if that much. Just a little bit. All right, let's cut them. They still have that very light texture. Very light texture. Kind of like an angel food cake. Look at that. My goodness. These are delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I'll have to tell my friend she did something wrong. Because this is very, very good. Very good. So y'all give this a try. You can do it with any pie filling, canned pie filling, and angel food cake mix. Oh my goodness, these are really good. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.